Hello friends. In this video, we will attack the single-player village, Fort Knobs. We have 2 air defenses, here, and 2 mortars, here, and 4 cannons, at 4 different corners. To destroy this village, we will use 6 balloons and 10 archeries. Firstly, we will clear these 2 air defenses, with the help of our archeries. C. You can wait for the archeries to completely destroy this air defense too. I am unable to wait more. While my archeries are busy, I am sending balloons to clear defenses from the sides. Just keep in mind that they should not come in the range of the air defense. You can see rest of the village, our balloons will clear easily.